Wiper cowls look great. Wheels still look good. They dirty, but they look great. So back to Impala stuff. Alright, what up, y'all? So we back on the Impala today. I don't think this should wiggle like this. So y'all don't realize how weird it is trying to move your hand but looking at the screen when you're recording. But anyway, this is wiggling a lot and it is wasting a lot. So I'm about to go ahead and take this off. I don't know if like it's pushed in all the way, I feel like, but something ain't right. So we taking this out and I'm just gonna replace that whole deal, whole new whatever this is, the coolant connector or whatever, quick disconnect. So I got a new one. So I'm gonna take this out, figure out what size this is, pull it out, and swap it out. And hopefully I won't have to deal with this stuff spraying and leaking no more. I'm not trying to have any issues like what happened in the vet. So let's get this off. And this is an aftermarket radiator too. So I think this might be different than the one that was on the factory radiator. I don't remember. I got a video from when I swapped the radiator out, but I really don't remember if this is the same size as the other one or not. But let me go ahead and figure out what wrench this is and swap this out. Alright, so where we at? I got the line out. It's hard to actually, I'll show y'all on this. So it's hard to actually get this little triangle clip thing out just by hand. So I had a couple of these laying around. These are transmission line quick disconnects, and got a couple of them. So this one ended up being the 3/8 side that worked. So you basically, if you don't know, man, I'm bad with this, but you wrap this around like so, and you push it down. Push down towards the end, and it basically makes the clip expand, and then you can pull the line out. And while I had it out like that, I just used a screwdriver and popped that clip all the way off. So gotta work quick. Once I take this off, coolant is gonna start dropping actually. So I could just drain this stuff, but I might have to drain it. But anyway, once you get this off, if you don't drain it, coolant is dripping. So you need to work quick, slap that back in there. And yeah, once I get this new piece on, brand new clip, brand new bushings, and so brand new clip, brand new bushings all in the inside. So I shouldn't have any leaks. I shouldn't have leaks now, but you know, whatever. Let's go ahead and fix this before it gets bad. So we're back. Didn't have to drain anything, just took it off and put the new one on. So once you take it off, no coolant comes out. It was like I think it had like squeezed on it or something and some coolant came out, but just moving regular, it didn't drip anything. So still good. Tank still full. So this is on. Well, dang, my hand right. All right, so that's on. Tighten this on first, and then you just press this straight into this piece while the clip is already in. So I shouldn't have any problems with the clip on this one. It you know, still got a slight wiggle, but it's an O-ring on the inside that should sit up against this little pipe that's going in. So I shouldn't have any issues, but yeah, that's that. Let me find the part number for this. Here we go. So yeah, 800-619. This is the old one right here. So this is it's weird looking 3/8 and 9/16. For whatever reason, the plastic is all weird on the front. So it's not the camera, it's actually the plastic. Like I can barely see through this, but part number again, 800-619. Swap that out. So I shouldn't have any more leaks with this Impala, and it should be good to go. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the spark plug sometime soon. It's been 250,000 miles. I guess it's time to swap them, but won't be today, won't be next week, but maybe this month sometime I get to it. But I guess that's it. Just daily maintenance, and I will catch y'all in the next one.